Guys, so got this GMC Wrangler here, basically an S10. We're doing coil springs because somebody had lowered coil springs in here. So kind of a pain in the ass and dangerous to do because usually the coils come and they're on a curve. They're strapped on one side, so they're like curved, because the lower control arm has to swing up. So because there's no straps holding these on one side to make it a curve to put in there, and then it'd come up no problem, we have to do this a little bit dangerous and different way. But let me get a light. So what I've got here is I haven't done one of these since I was like probably 16. So I got a ratchet strap around the coil, got a hooked part of the frame here, got it hooked to the other side of the frame there, right? And that'll hold our coil so it won't spring out that way. Don't ask me how I know. The first time we tried this, I went through my buddy's mom's garage door. So this is how we did it when I was like 16 years old to get it in. So we're gonna video the rest of this, how we actually do it. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
So, okay, so I'm gonna get the tripod, set it up, and I'll show you how we're gonna do this. Okay guys, so warning, do not try this at home. Leave it to the half-assed professionals we are. Okay, so.
Leave that in a little bit.
Yeah. Alright. Keep your jack perpendicular so it slides back with it. Now we got no worry that it's going to spring out this way, because as we're jacking it up and the control arm's pulling, it's actually pulling the spring that way. Oh, you left the shock
clips.
we should be all right.
Yeah,
okay.
We should be fine.
Okay, so now you go through the bottom coil like this. Now you're just gonna pop up on the the very end of the coil. Oh, so you'll have to do that as a jack. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna jack up.
Flip around.
Yeah. And he's just gonna try and get that
to get a bite onto it.
Bite, and it'll pop in. Don't be afraid of it.
Fucking Jesus.
Should be going soon. Okay, we got full weight.
Okay.
No, you're under the control arm. You gotta get under the spring.
Yeah.
This says very dangerous. Here, you want me?
Yeah, here, give it a shot.
Alright. Whoa.
No tripping.
Yeah, I know, hey?
There we go.
No, almost.
Almost?
Yeah.
Usually it's the pop that does it.
Oh. So much shit on the ground. Oh, you bitch.
It's going.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely. And I think that did it.
No,
not yet.
Not yet. We still got full weight, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're lifting the truck, so such a pain in the ass. Come on.
Try from the forward. Get in.
Where's my 2 pound?
No, the smaller one?
2 pound.
Oh, your sled.
Sledge. Okay. And
There we go.
that's that. Alright, we'll get you off here. Zoom out. Alright. Yeah, as I said, I haven't done one of these since I was a kid. So just make sure you get like the end of the coil spring lined up where it's got to end up in the pocket. And now we can put the spindle on, compress it all together, compress it all together, and look at that, we're gold. Alrighty. That's how that's done.
I'm Jay, Mr. Rat Rod.
Yep. This is Stevie Tow Driver's kid.
Yeah. I've been in BC and this vehicle is from BC.
Yeah.
So they don't exist here.
Alright, so now I gotta get my strap undone, fed back out, and the rest is normal.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, cheers guys. So yeah, if you can, don't do this at home. She gets a little dangerous. And it's the same for like El Caminos, Novas. We did it on a 77 Nova. El Caminos, Malibus, Cutlasses, Monte Carlos. Yeah, they're all the same. The spindles are the same. You can take the spindle off of here and put it on that El Camino.
Yeah.
Alrighty, cheers guys. Survived another one.
Yeah.